All right, if you're a coach or consultant, I'm gonna be showing you right now how to build your own low ticket SLO offer or funnel. An SLO is a self-liquidating offer. Now, for example, if I was spending $100 in ads per day, okay, and I was running it to an SLO, the whole goal is to self-liquidate. So I wanna get anywhere from, $80 to $100 plus per day back, so that I can break even on my ad spend, get all my sales calls for free, get all my leads for free. And here's the best part about a self-liquidating offer is that all of these people have bought something. Okay, you might run free lead magnets, you might run webinar funnels. These people are freebie seekers. They haven't bought anything. And there was something my mentor always said to me. He's like, dude, people don't vote with their actions or their mouths, they vote with their credit cards. And I want people on my list who are doing this exact behavior, spending money even before they speak to one of my account reps or myself, if you're a solopreneur. So what is it gonna look like for your own low ticket SLO offer? What are you going to do to build yours? Because I'm gonna give you the exact framework right now. Number one is you're gonna need a front end, okay? And also if you're wondering how you can build yours faster, in the description below, I have my low ticket starter kit, okay? It's my own SLO offer that I want you to have, okay? You can go to the link below and grab it, and I will show you how to break this down more thoroughly and in more detail, along with school group access as well. So what's your front end gonna be? Your front end's gonna be a PDF, a mini course, templates, scripts, okay? Maybe like a content calendar. You've seen those from people who do low tickets. What else? You can do not just a mini course, but you could also do like a challenge. You could charge people $7, $9, $17, $27 for a 3-day challenge, a 1-day challenge, whatever it looks like. Also, low ticket funnels, you could sell calls. If you have a really big personal brand, you can say, hey, listen, I'm helping agency owners, I'm helping coaches, I'm helping fitness brands, add an extra blah, blah, blah. If you want to talk to me myself, it's $97 a call. That's pretty low ticket. You can do that as well if you have a massive personal brand, okay? Don't just go doing that because you think you're cool. Okay, look at the actual statistics on what would define you as being a massive authority in your space or niche, okay? So you have your front end, okay? So let's say, and this will be a good example for me, is my front end might be, one of my examples is 100 ad templates, okay? I did this offer years ago. It was one of the highest converting offers on the internet, okay? I had 100 ad templates, and that was my front end. Now, the second thing you got to come up with is the order bump. Okay, you've seen this on checkout pages where it will have this big box. It's on the order form and it will say, yes, I want to add this for blah, blah, blah before they even buy it. So you can actually scoop up the front end and the second in the same first time purchase. A lot of my buyers right now will spend $54 because the first offer is $27 and then my order bump is $27, okay, $37. Now, if you're wondering what to charge versus each, I stay here with a 9, 17, 27, 37. Here, I usually make it the same price as the front end or a little bit more expensive. So it'll be 27, 37. You could even go 47 depending on what the take rates look like. If you have a low ticket funnel and you put an order bump in and you're getting a 50% take rate, and that's gonna bring me to the next point, which is you wanna have a 50% take rate. 50% take rate, let's say you get a 50% take rate on a $27. You can increase the price and you won't see a drop. So you could say 50% take rate on a 27. Okay, what if I had a 40% take rate on a 37? You're making more money, do the math. And what if you had 30% take rate on a 47? You're making more money because that extra $20 lift, the extra $10 lift suffices the drop in take rate, okay? So your order bump is gonna be either one of two things, okay? One is gonna be more of the same, or faster or better, okay, results. Sorry if my handwriting is a little awful. That's why I became an entrepreneur. I didn't go to fucking school. Okay, faster, better results are more of the same. So what is a good example? If I have 100 ad templates, what else could I sell? I could sell another 100. Another 100 ad templates or 100 video templates. Okay, what did I sell here instead? I sold them the order bump. That was the targeting. So I called it, it was called targeting hacks. It was these 4 targeting hacks. Okay? So you could either do more of the same, or you could do more of the same, but just a different mechanism, which is video, or you could just do faster, better results, which was targeting. Because you have these ad templates. Now I got to say, all right, cool, I have these templates, I have the copy. I need to make sure that I'm targeting the right people. How do you target, Wojo? Here you go, okay? Then that brings me to the third piece, which is upsells and downsells, okay? Because after they purchase the front end, the order bump, where do they go next? Don't send them to a thank you page. You can squeeze the most out of your buyers by having what we call OTOs, one-time upsells. One-time offers, excuse me. One-time offers or one-click upsells, okay? You could do that where you just click a button on the page, it automatically charges their card. So what can I do here? Upsells and downsells. Well, what did I give in this funnel? My next upsell was, all right, you know what? You have ad templates. You know how to do targeting. Where are those ads going to? A landing page. So I gave them 25 landers as a template. 25 landing pages. Cool. Now you have your ads. Now you have the targeting. You got the copy. Now you have inspiration of landing pages that you know can work. And that was going to a $57. Now, when I talk about downsells, okay, the downsells, the way I did it at least, was I went 57. Okay, if they say no, then I said, all right, cool then. 47. If they said no again, I said, all right, fine, 37. And people might say, oh, well, that's so cheap. You're defaming the product. No, I'm not. I'm giving them the opportunity to grab it because the more products they grab, the more activated they are, and the easier it is, ultimately, to sell them high ticket. And that's the whole goal of this, is that you're getting them in from SLO to scooping them back into your high ticket on the back end. That's the whole point of the thank you page. There's a counter on the last page, one's in the book. So 25 landing pages, all right, cool. And the next upsell was, which was a course, okay, which was like a watch me course. What do I mean by watch me? Okay, you got all these products. Watch me now put it together and show you how I took a certain brand from X to Y using these templates, using the targeting, using the landing page. Watch me over 6 days scale a brand from 0 to 10K a day, and that was the training. Okay, so that was $67. And then after that was a course, right? I sold it where I basically said, hey, you got all this. Now here's the Facebook marketing course on how you can actually be like really good at Facebook ads, not just using templates and whatnot, but being skilled so that you could replace your marketing department, do the marketing yourself. Because I was mostly selling to solopreneurs who wanted back-end coaching. So that was my model. The last upsell was $134 because what did I say to them? I said, hey, listen, I'm going to sell this for you for $297, but I'm just going to assume that you bought everything today. And if you did buy everything today, I'm going to take that off the price regardless. So it was $297 minus all the shit that you could have bought. Here it is, $134, take it or leave it. And the take rate was very high. And then if they said no to that, I then sent them to a $97 downsell where it's like, all right, fine. I'll drop it to below the $100 mark to make it easy for you. And I scooped up people on that downsell as well. So I hope you guys enjoyed this methodology of the SLO funnel, which is your self-liquidating funnel. If you want me to review it, you can join the school group in the description below. And I will see you in the next video. Peace.